Today, we're talking about performance marketing, one of the most powerful and budget friendly ways businesses grow online. Traditional advertising has a big issue. Brands spend money but don't know if the ad worked. A brand pays for a billboard, but did people see it? Did it make anyone buy? Did it generate leads? There is no clear measurement. Businesses lose money because they pay even if they get zero results. Performance marketing solves this problem. Because businesses pay only when a specific action happens, such as a click, a sign up, a purchase, an app install, a lead form submission. The brand spends money only when results come in, not before. Google ads, Meta ads, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube performance ads, affiliate marketing, remarketing ads, app install campaigns, all these allow advertisers to track every action. If Nika runs an ad saying 50% off on lipsticks and they pay only when someone purchases, that is performance marketing. No purchase equals no payment. Grove wants more app installs. They set their ad to pay only when someone installs the app. If 5 people install the app, they pay only for those 5 installs. A digital marketing coach shows ads for a free webinar. He pays only when someone signs up. Each sign up is a performance. Thinking performance marketing means cheap ads, not tracking results properly. Using bad landing pages, targeting the wrong audience, expecting sales without proper follow-up, ignoring optimization. Set a clear goal. Sales, leads, installs, clicks. Choose the right platform. Create simple landing pages. Use retargeting. Test different creatives, track results daily. Scale what works, stop what doesn't. Performance marketing is those you pay only for real results. No guesswork, no wasted money. It's one of the smartest ways to grow a business online. If you want more simple explanations of digital marketing concepts, hit the subscribe button and check out the next videos.